Some exciting news here on Homestead. One of our Labrador retrievers is getting pretty close to giving birth. So we have no idea who the father is at this point. We're hoping that it's the neighbors. It got a silver lab, so at least they will be both labs that have papers, but could be kind of up in the air. Anything at this point. Have no idea. She ran off and was gone all night, and so she could have traveled a little ways. But we have a feeling that she's getting pretty close. Here she is. So we got milk, and she's been just a lot slower lately. So she's getting pretty close. Very good sized belly here. So we'll just be waiting. We'll keep you guys updated on that. You going into labor, baby? You're dripping some milk there. You're getting pretty close, aren't you? We'll be here for you. You lay down. You lay down. You gotta rest. You need to rest. I'm right here for you. You're gonna be fine. You know exactly what to do, huh? You know exactly what to do. Pretty dog. You're just glowing, mama. So this morning we checked on the old dog, or we let her outside, and we could tell that she was shaking, like having tremors. So we kind of looked that up, Googled it, and that means that very good possibility that she's going to be going into labor here soon. She's producing plenty of milk, a lot of panting, more than normal, and she's just really big, so I don't think she could possibly get much bigger. I mean, she's already pretty uncomfortable. Just hasn't really felt like doing anything like normal. She's got a bunch of energy and wants to run around all over the place, even when she was pregnant. And as you can see, she's kind of shaking, but she's just staying in one spot for the most part. So I think here in the next 12 to 18 hours, I'm going to assume that she's probably going to go ahead and give birth. So we'll have new puppies on the homestead, and it's pretty exciting. We haven't had puppies in a while, so the next step is to try to figure out exactly what we're going to do with them and how many she's going to have. You did good. You're doing fine. So we kind of stayed up with her until about midnight, and just nothing. She laid down and acted like she was going to go to sleep. So we went upstairs, got a little bit of sleep, and then about 4:30, Randy got up and checked on him, and she had two already by herself. So we kind of stayed up, and she never did have another one. We got the kids ready for school and got them on the bus. We come back, she's got two more. So then we kind of get breakfast and some coffee, and do some outside chores, and then we come back and she's got two more. So she's got 6 total now, and I'm not entirely sure if she's done yet. But she seems to be delivering them fine on herself, on herself, and it's almost as if she waits for us to leave and then feels like she can have them. So now she's comfortable around us, but I think she's always been kind of a timid dog. And so I'm thinking maybe, I mean, there's a possibility she may just want to have her alone time, which is fine. She's doing really good with them. So as long as she doesn't have any problems, we'll keep checking on her, and she'll just do her thing. It's pretty natural for her. Where you going, girl? She knows what she's doing. Gonna have another one, girl?
Is that another one?
Hey, you're about to witness a baby being born. Did we confirm it's moving? Oh, yep, it's definitely moving. Yep. Starting to move around. So I have 7 live puppies. Very good. Yeah. Hey, Mama. Can we see your puppies? Hmm? That's a big one. The big puppy.
I like when they're pushed out like that. He's the biggest one.
That dog looks like a silver. He looks like he's got some kind of like a silver shine to him, doesn't he? It's okay, Mama. We're just looking. We're just looking. Oh, we were cleaning the bedding and we took all the puppies out to clean the bedding and get fresh bedding in there, and she just got really stressed out and started trying to get all the babies gathered up in one spot and back in the kennel. She's just being a good mommy.
So they're now getting to a point where when they're happy and they're eating, their tails wag back and forth.
That looks like the big one.
One of them.
Kind of a chubs.
They're all pretty healthy.
Look at this one. Look at this one all snuggled up in his tail. In her tail. All snuggled up in Mama's tail.
Since a little boy. Mom's already taken the umbilical cords off. Cutie. It cracks me up when they get flipped upside down like this. And they're like belly up and they're just eating away.
This one's
I think they're cold, Mom. They're shivering. They're trying to find snuggle buddies.
I don't know. Kayla, which one's your favorite?
Here, hold them up.
This one
Ooh, you're gonna have to move me.
or this one?
This is Pooh Bear. That one, I think that one was born first.
He's a fat puppy.
Why can't we keep a boy, Mom?
He's a loud puppy. We don't want that one. He's too loud.
Nuh-uh. This one is the one that I want.
You want to keep Pooh
Not the
Bear?
fat one.
He spreads. The way you can tell is he spreads it when you're holding him. He spreads his little legs out, like outward.
Meanwhile, it sounds like someone's getting murdered up there.
I know.
So we had 9 puppies. 8 were alive. Right?
Mm-hmm.
We have 8 puppies.
Mama over there, sleepy.
Look at all those little puppy tails.